Jobsite Table Saw Review. DEWALT DWE7491X Real Rip Capacity and Fence Accuracy Results. Ever wrestled a full sheet of plywood on a small table saw and felt it tipping mid-cut? I have. One Saturday, halfway through a cabinet panel, the fence drifted just enough to ruin the edge. That sinking feeling sticks with you. If you've outgrown a compact saw but don't want a cabinet monster, you'll understand. What are you cutting these days? Deadlines don't care about underpowered tools. Your shoulders tighten, your knot in stomach grows, and the noise plus dust turn the garage into a heavy fog. You try better blades, extra supports, careful measuring. Still inconsistent. What you really want is controlled power and a fence that locks square without drama, so the cut feels calm again. Don't just pick any job site table saw. Make sure it has a rack and pinion fence system so you never suffer crooked, drifting cuts everyone complains about again. I stumbled onto the DEWALT DWE7491X while helping a friend finish built-ins on a tight schedule. The 15-amp motor didn't hesitate in hardwood. The 32.5-inch rip capacity handled full shelving panels without awkward balancing. That rack and pinion fence glided smoothly and stayed parallel, which meant faster setup and repeatable accuracy. The two-position flip-over fence added smart support for narrow rips. The scissor stand opened quickly and felt stable, not wobbly. Onboard storage kept the guard, riving knife, and push stick right where they should be. Here is what surprised me. It didn't just feel powerful, it felt predictable. One remodeler I know was cutting late for a client install, nearly behind, and the consistent fence alignment saved his final panels from being remade. Instant relief. It's not feather light, but that weight adds stability. Over weeks of steady use, the DEWALT DWE7491X starts changing your rhythm. Setup gets faster because the scissor stand unfolds in seconds. Cuts get cleaner because the fence stays square. Cleaner cuts mean less sanding, fewer remakes, and tighter installs. That ripple effect matters on real jobs. Tool reviewers like Bob Vila's team have highlighted its large rip capacity as a standout in the job site class. Influencers consistently praise the rack and pinion fence for micro-adjust accuracy without guesswork. Industry discussions often point to the 32.5-inch rip capacity as a major advantage over smaller portable saws. And everyday contractors describe it as a practical workhorse that feels solid straight out of the box. Now, let's be fair. The scissor stand is stable, but not as convenient to roll across rough terrain as wheeled versions. Dust collection is good with a vacuum, not magical on its own. Still, paired with a shop vac, it keeps cleanup manageable. If you regularly cut sheet goods or hardwood trim, does a larger rip capacity quietly solve more problems than you realized? Over time, that extra room and control simply make projects smoother. At the end of the day, a job site table saw should make you feel steady, not stressed. The DEWALT DWE7491X delivers controlled power, wide rip capacity, and fence accuracy that thousands of contractors and serious DIYers rely on daily. If you're considering this portable table saw, check the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Take a look, compare it carefully, and see if it fits your workflow.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.